Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Polygon's price chart. And I still stand by what I said, meaning I still believe this is a correction structure down. And now I have kind of more reasons to believe this is a corrective movement. Reason number one, how exactly are we able to find an impulsive structure, a complete one, to about the lowest low in here, about, let's say, 22.5 cents. Now, if you want to say this is some sort of a diagonal, fair enough. Show me a diagonal in here, please, because in the last 2 hours, I would say I have really tried to come up with an impulse, and I did kind of identified one, but the shape of it looks so odd that it's going to make me say, you know what, that probably shouldn't be my primary case. So according to my primary scenario in Polygon, we are in like very short term, at least still looking optimistic. And also in terms of classic TA, meaning supports and resistances, we are still above this important level. So, makes me say there's a good chance still that we're going to get at least another move on the upside. And that's why I still have my long position open. I'm hoping that by the first target, at least we're going to reach to about this important region. And hopefully we are going to get a break of it. And in that case, well, the next target, you know the deal, is going to be all the way up here around at least the lower band of this important resistance, about, let's say, like the 29.5 cents area, meaning from the current point in like very short time, I'm expecting maybe like a 20% move on the upside in Polygon. Now, I said we are having in here clearly overlapping of the waves, which is a very important characteristic of a corrective movement. Also, I believe in case that maybe like in the next couple of hours, you see something like this and then another move up, we are going to most probably confirm a beautiful head and shoulder structure, which is a great sign suggesting this move probably has come to an end. Now, I want to be very clear. At the moment, this head and shoulder is not really happening, okay? You need to wait a little bit more and see, are we even going to get this thing? And at that point, are we going to successfully get a break of the neckline or not? Assuming that we do that, fair enough, we can count on a good move on the upside in Polygon. And also in here, I believe we are having a beautiful descending channel right in here. And as you can see, recently it seems like that we did get a break out of the channel. So, in the short term, I don't really mind in case that we get a move down in order to have a pullback to the higher band of the channel and then get another move up and confirm that indeed we are having in here a beautiful head and shoulder structure. And also, this is the key. I'm not sure if you like classic patterns and if you like head and shoulders, but even if you don't like that, okay, I think we can kind of safely assume in Polygon, we may have a beautiful bull flag structure, and this is our flag, this is our pull, and what is the target for it going to be? Well, first things first, you need to put your chart on regular scale, okay? This is a very important point. There is no such thing as measuring targets on logarithmic, and then you need to measure the length of your pole from here to about this point, and that will give you, if I just do this, excuse me, like maybe a 32 cents polygon. Now, if you want to say our bull flag started from this point, okay, even in that case, let's just measure our pole from this point to about here and put it at our breaking point. That is still giving you a 29.5 cents polygon. The points that I'm trying to make is this: I have a lot of doubts about this structure being an impulsive movement, indicating the final high, at least in the short term, is already in. No, I'm thinking more likely than not, I'm like maybe 60-70% confident that this is a correction and we are going to have at least another move up. And then, okay, fair enough. When we do that, I am going to be open to some more deeper moves on the downside. But for now, I'm thinking not yet. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Polygon. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.